Cunningham.
David Fanchermi.
I'm here, Your Honor.
He's 1+. All right,
here.
where are we on this case?
Well, last week, 2 weeks ago, Mr. Cunningham appeared and was supposed to make a payment. Last week, he came and showed me a money order for $900. And because he said he didn't know what to do with it. I told him to drop it off at 206 North Huron. He didn't do that. I called him Friday afternoon and said, when are you going to do that? He said, I'm waiting for a ride. He dropped something off last night at 6 o'clock. I haven't been able to verify what he did. I don't understand why he waited a week when he could have simply walked over there and put it in the drop slot on the door as I told him. I believe he showed up last night as somebody was leaving, but I don't have any way of verifying what he dropped off. But I would like to proceed with the judgment because he simply.
Mr. Cunningham?
Yes.
I remember the last time we were here, you were showing that to me. You were gonna take it over there.
Yes, I did. My lights had got cut off, and it's just me in the house. So I had to cash one of the money orders to get my lights and stuff turned back on, deposit it back in my checking account to get my lights turned back on. That's why I was late trying to get the money back up to put in there. Okay. Now the money's in there. The money's in the drop box. I put it in there. I seen a guy. He said he was waiting on me when he left, and I was like, he was like, just put it in the drop box because that wasn't
Mr. Cunningham. That wasn't their deal. You were supposed to get over there. I get what you're saying about your lights being cut off. I get all of that. That was not our deal.
I understand, Your Honor. But I put in the money order in the drop box right now.
Well, it'll then be credited against the judgment I'm about to issue. Go ahead. I'm going to find no tribal issue. How much is owing, Mr. Judgment for possession to the plaintiff?
The rent is $22.17. Court cost of $162 for a total of $23.17.
$23.17. The $900 will be credited if it's over there onto that. I'll extend the rent date so that the defendant needs to pay that by May 15th.
Your Honor, can I have some? I don't have any resources. I have a job. I have a job, Your Honor. I have a job. And I put the money in there. I don't want to have a judgment on me, so I will have to pay this. I have a job.
Mr. Cunningham, I was trying to avoid that. That's why we were doing. That's why we were doing what. Okay, if you want to talk, I'm going to let you go ahead and talk, and then I'm going to have my words. So you go ahead and tell me what you want to tell me.
No, Your Honor, you go ahead and say what you got to say, Your Honor. I'm strictly on your time.
So I told you what we needed to have happen last time, because then we could move ahead. You told me you were working. You told me all of those things, but then you decided to make your own priorities. I can't have people doing that because I'm getting the landlords to try to do some of these things. You got to carry your end of it. It didn't happen. So I'm giving them the judgment. The judgment's going to be at a lower amount because if I wait till next week to take a judgment, it's going to be at a higher amount because it's going to include your May rent. I'm going to suggest that you then talk to them. I've extended the time for you to talk to them. You lay out specifically how you're going to get this paid.
Yes, sir.
And try to make sure that you can maintain your housing. But I've done everything I can do.
David, can I call you on the phone?
There's nothing I can do because
So you the lawyer, and I don't want to talk to you,
but you've never done what we've talked about doing. So we'll talk.
You know, I always pay. I want to talk to you on the phone, sir. Please, can I talk to you on the phone?
Call me Monday. Call me Monday.
Monday.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Red Shield rental.
Balance of $14.
میگه برای اینکه
$14.
برای $14.
So they need $14? Is that what you're telling me, Miss Lacy?
That is what I'm telling
Go
you.
ahead, Madam Interpreter, interpret that,
Yes.
please.
میگه
With all the
میگه
sarcasm
همه
I have in my voice. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
میگه داره بهش میگه راست میگی برای $14 همه اینا ما چیز کردیم برای $14 منتظرید شما قاضی خیلی عصبانی شده برای $14 میخواهید همه این کارا رو بکنید بفرما go ahead
Mr. Sharif, do you have $14?
میگه $14 داری تو بهشون بدی
بله ما از این اطلاع نداشتم که این پروسه تکمیل شده به این خاطر ما آنلاین شده.
Yes, I do have $14. I wish I'd known. If I known that it was about the $14, I would have paid it a long time ago.
Okay. Me too.
میگه منم.
Sir, can you bring $14 to the court today in cash?
میتونی امروز کش $14 برای دادگاه ببری؟
آنلاین پرداخت کنیم یا کش ببریم؟
Online or you want me to bring it in cash?
I need it in cash to the courthouse.
میگه میخوام بیای اینجا دادگاه $14 رو بدی. Your Honor, where is the court?
We are on Washtenaw Avenue.
Okay, اونجا پلوی واشتنا and اونجا آره by Hogback, واشتنا.
تا چند بجه باز است اونجا؟
How late are you open?
The door's 4 p.m.
بایستی قبل از ساعت 4 اونجا باشی.
درست است. آدرس برایم بفرست ما $14 گرفتم میمون.
Okay, if you please give me the address, I will be more than happy to stop by and pay the $14.
4133 Washtenaw Avenue.
Okay, Washtenaw Avenue, got it. نوشتمش. 4133 4133 Washtenaw Avenue.
We are right down by the sheriff's department.
آره پلوی اونجا مال پلیس ستیشنه. روبروی کنتاکی فراید چیکن یک کنتاکی فراید چیکن هست on Washtenaw قبل از Carpenter before Carpenter Road. A lot of my clients know about Kentucky Fried Chicken, so it's an easy way to say.
Do you know where that is, sir?
میدونی کجاست؟
آدرس بگیرم در GPS بندازیم.
Yes, I do know where it is, but I will take it and put it on GPS also.
All right. I will adjourn this matter then to May 5th, 2023 at 2 p.m. with the court's admonishment to plaintiff that with the promissory note and the $14 in the court that this matter ought to be dismissed.
میگه انشالله که هفته آینده روز 5 روز جمعه ساعت 2 میخوام این همش تموم بشه انشالله. تو اگه امروز بیای پولا رو بیاری ورقه میدیم تا تمومش کنیم ولی کورت داریم ساعت 2 هفته آینده.
درست است. $14 مربوط به کورت میشه بیارم اونجا.
Okay, will I get a receipt for this $14?
Yes, we will give you a...
آره بله.
درست.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So that there's a promissory note and the $14 will have been received prior to May 1st. That is why I would be insistent on the dismissal.
میگه برای همینه من خیلی مهمه تو بیای امروز قبل از روز دوشنبه برای اینکه 1 میه.
ما کوشش میکنم امروز بیام.
I will do my best and I will be there before 4 o'clock.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, merci, خیلی ممنون. Thank you, Your Honor. We'll see you next week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks. Have a good weekend,
you.
everybody.
You
Bye-bye.
too.
Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. You know, I was almost gonna fall out when I heard Kentucky Fried Chicken. I ate this. I didn't know what I was gonna do, but court does call the case. Ozzy.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Mr. Kazi?
I'm here. I'm sorry. I couldn't.
Or, all right. So let's see, where are we on this? You're gonna have the balance paid before I
Yes.
got here today.
Yes, sir. The 950 is I paid to the court. 200 I paid this morning. So I think I should be all set.
Singing, how much do you have? Because the 950 she paid to the court, we closed it out on the 14th, so that should have gotten to you guys.
Okay, let me just double check. I don't see it. Do you know I don't know if the court records indicate whether that was mailed to our office.
Well, I'm sorry. You know what? No. She paid it on the 14th.
Okay.
And
okay.
we sent it out on the 25th. I had my dates back.
Okay, so yeah, okay. I guess I believe that. So then
Really?
Okay.
I guess I'll take that one. Okay.
So then,
All right.
so the balance should be 200. And so, Ms. Kazi, may I ask, did you pay that 200 to the court, or did you pay that to your landlord?
Landlord this morning at 7:50
Okay.
a.m. Yes.
So it might not have cleared the ledger yet. And so I believe that if once that hits, we should be submitting a dismissal.
All right.
In this matter. So if your honor would adjourn it for 1 week.
Okay. So, Ms. Kazi, so that you understand, I'm going to adjourn it out to the 5th,
Okay. But with that
2021 at 10 a.m. However, you don't need to appear. Just make sure it's dismissed, because once they can confirm the 200, Ms. Engen is going to believe that we sent the 950 that you paid us. And so then you'll be clear.
Okay, so I don't need to appear, and also this one it will not come up as a May this date, right? I just wanted to make sure.
Pardon?
The May rent will not be added on next week, right? With this, if I don't appear.
Hey, we're not looking to add the May rent, because you should have everything paid.
Okay.
Once she can confirm the 200,
Okay.
then we're good.
All right.
You're good.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jen.
All righty. You take care. Have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. And Gulfside Lakes versus Redwine. That case is dismissed. Mr. Redwine, your case is dismissed. Emmett Redwine?
You say it's dismissed?
Yep, it's dismissed.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, fella.
I appreciate the patience.
Not a problem, sir. Take
Thank
care.
you. Take care. You too, sir.
Gulfside Lakes versus Sarah Brown.
Hello. Hi,
Ms.
Ron.
Brown, if you had put your name in and we knew it was you, I could have told you your case is dismissed a long time ago. You've been sitting on there. I've been watching you. You looked all worried and everything, didn't know what was going to happen. And I kept saying to myself, who is that? And I ran out of cases. If you had put your name in, you could have been long gone.
I didn't know how I go. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It was nice having you here. Your case is dismissed. You don't have a problem, do you?
No.
With that?
not at all.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Thank
So
you.
now, and you know what, Miss Brown?
Yes.
It is much better you smiling than when you got that scowl on your face, not knowing what's going to happen. All right. Miss Brown, you have a great weekend, okay?
So much.
And keep smiling, okay? Because that other thing, I don't know. All right. Take care.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
All right. Amy, Miss Engen, I think that's it. I'm so
I
done.
hope so. That was long.
Enjoy
lot
the
of
It's
weekend.
been
math.
quite a day.
Quite a
All
day.
right.
Thank
You guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You
All
too.
right. Take care. 14.
In this session, the court confirmed final rent payments for one tenant, cleared the path to dismissal, and then dismissed 2 more cases on the spot, including a relieved Sarah Brown who had been sitting worried for far too long. Clear communication, verified payments, and a judge who mixed firmness with a touch of humor turned a potentially stressful docket into a series of good outcomes. If you found this case as interesting as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.